Hello and welcome to another edition of Ask Cheeky. I'm Isaiah Henkel, a Cheeky Scientist, and today's question comes from Aditya Sir. How do I create a LinkedIn profile if I'm interested in more than one type of job? This is an excellent question. If you're doing your job search correctly, then you're not just looking for one specific position. Now, you can have your top position of interest, that's fine, but you also want to diversify your job search and make sure that you're looking for not just a single job title or even a single job position, but several, especially lateral positions, right? So let's say you're in science, you might be looking for research scientist positions, but you can also look for application scientist positions and project management positions. And you can do this across the board. And how do you know what positions are lateral? Well, look up that company on LinkedIn and look at the people that have certain job titles and see who else comes up when you search that person or when you search that company. See what their job titles are and see what the different titles are that are lateral to each other. And the reason this is important is because when you want to create your LinkedIn profile, you want to make it so that no matter which of these positions, these lateral positions you're interested in, you're going to come up in any search that a hiring manager or recruiter does who's looking for job candidates to fill this position. So how do you do this? Go online, both on LinkedIn, you can go to different websites, look up different job postings from a variety of companies for these different positions, and then collect 5 or 10 job postings for each position. So depending on the number of positions, you might have 3, 4, 5 different positions you're interested in, and then you're going to have 5 or 10 job postings for each of those. So you might, at the end of it, have 30 different job postings or 50 different job postings. Put them all in a Word document, and then filter through them and look at the words that are used over and over again. There's also different programs online, these word bundle programs that will search the keywords that are used over and over again in a lot of text and rank them for you. So go through all these different job postings for all the different positions that you're in and look for the keywords that are used the most, and then use those keywords throughout your LinkedIn profile. Because remember, the hiring managers for these positions, the recruiters, they're going to be doing searches on LinkedIn, and they're not going to be complicated searches. They're simply going to type in the keywords that are on the job postings that they've posted or that for the positions they represent, and look for people who pop up after they search those phrases. So use the exact keywords in your LinkedIn profile. Do this sort of research and analysis first for the top keywords for these positions. Put them on your LinkedIn profile, and then you will come up in a hiring manager and recruiter search for the positions that you want. So hopefully this answers your question. Until next time, remember your value as a PhD and start thinking and acting like a successful industry professional.